Pakistan is a country that is rich in biodiversity and is home to a wide variety of wildlife. The country's unique geography and climate have created a habitat for a diverse range of animals, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the vast deserts of the south, Pakistan's wildlife is a unique and valuable part of the country's natural heritage. We will explore the wildlife of Pakistan in detail, including the different species of animals found in the country, their habitats, and the threats they face. We will also discuss the conservation efforts underway to protect these animals and ensure their survival for future generations. Pakistan is home to a wide variety of mammals, ranging from large predators to small rodents. One of the most iconic animals of Pakistan is the snow leopard. These elusive cats are found in the high-altitude regions of the Himalayas, where they hunt for prey such as ibex and blue sheep. Unfortunately, snow leopards are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, and conservation efforts are underway to protect them. Another big cat found in Pakistan is the Asiatic lion. These lions once roamed across much of Asia, but now only a small population remains in the Gir forest of India. However, there are plans to reintroduce them to the Kurthar National Park in Pakistan, where they once lived. Pakistan is also home to a number of species of deer, including the chital, or spotted deer, and the barasingha, or swamp deer. These graceful animals can be found in forests and grasslands throughout the country, and are an important prey species for predators such as tigers and leopards. One of the most unusual animals found in Pakistan is the markhor, a type of wild goat with impressive spiral horns. These goats are found in the mountains of northern Pakistan, where they live in steep, rocky terrain. The markhor is also endangered, but conservation efforts have helped to increase their numbers in recent years. Other mammals found in Pakistan include the Himalayan black bear, the Indian rhinoceros, and the Indian elephant. These animals are all endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, and conservation efforts are underway to protect them. Pakistan is home to a wide variety of bird species, ranging from large raptors to small songbirds. One of the most iconic birds of Pakistan is the Himalayan manal, a colorful pheasant found in the mountains of northern Pakistan. The manal is the national bird of Pakistan and is highly prized for its beautiful plumage. Other birds found in Pakistan include the black-necked stork, the white-bellied sea eagle, and the Indian skimmer. These birds are all adapted to life in wetland habitats and are an important part of Pakistan's ecosystem. Pakistan is also home to a number of migratory bird species, which travel to the country during the winter months. These birds include the Siberian crane, the common teal, and the northern pintail. Unfortunately, many of these birds are threatened by habitat loss and hunting, and conservation efforts are needed to protect them. Pakistan is home to a wide variety of reptile species, ranging from large crocodiles to small lizards. One of the most unusual reptiles found in Pakistan is the ghurial, a type of crocodile with a long, narrow snout. The ghurial is found in the Indus River system and is endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Other reptiles found in Pakistan include the Indian python, the Indian cobra, and the monitor lizard. These animals are all adapted to life in arid habitats and are an important part of Pakistan's ecosystem. Pakistan is home to a small number of amphibian species, including the Indus Valley toad and the Balochistan toad. These toads are adapted to life in arid habitats and are an important part of Pakistan's ecosystem. Pakistan's wildlife faces a number of threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Habitat loss is a major threat to many species, as forests and wetlands are cleared for agriculture and development. Poaching is also a major threat, as many animals are hunted for their meat, fur, or body parts. Climate change is also a growing threat to Pakistan's wildlife, as rising temperatures and changing weather patterns can disrupt ecosystems and alter the behavior of animals. For example, changes in rainfall patterns can affect the availability of food and water for animals, while rising temperatures can cause animals to migrate to cooler areas. Despite the many threats facing Pakistan's wildlife, there are a number of conservation efforts underway to protect these animals and ensure their survival for future generations. One of the most important conservation efforts is the establishment of protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves. These areas provide a safe haven for wildlife and help to preserve their habitats. Another important conservation effort is the enforcement of laws and regulations to protect wildlife. Pakistan has a number of laws in place to protect endangered species, and efforts are underway to strengthen these laws and increase enforcement. Education and awareness raising are also important tools in conservation efforts. By educating the public about the importance of wildlife and the threats facing these animals, conservationists can help to build support for conservation efforts and encourage people to take action to protect wildlife. Pakistan's wildlife is a unique and valuable part of the country's natural heritage. From the snow leopards of the Himalayas to the gharials of the Indus River, Pakistan's wildlife is diverse and fascinating. However, these animals face a number of threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these animals and ensure their survival for future generations. By establishing protected areas, enforcing laws and regulations, and educating the public, conservationists can help to preserve Pakistan's wildlife and ensure that these animals continue to thrive.